Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain how you can create a countdown timer using Notepad using a simple batch script. For that, just open Notepad and just type @echo of and then type echo your time starts now, and after that type timeout slash t, and here you will type the time. So let's say 30 or let's say 20, and then type echo times up, and here type pause. So this is the simple script, and then save this script, save it as let's say time down dot bat, and now let's run this command timed out dot bat, and you can see the timer, your time starts now, and now waiting for 13 waiting for seconds, and then you can see, just wait, and you can see time's up. So if you want to edit this, just right click and click on edit, and now you can change the time. For example, let's say 10, and then save it, and then close it, and then run it, and you can see your time starts now, waiting for 5 4 3 2 1. You can see time up, and now press any key to continue. So this way you can create a countdown timer using bash script in Notepad. That's all. Thank you.